If you feel like your face looks puffy or soft even though your body is relatively lean, you are definitely not alone. A lot of people assume this puffiness is just down to bad genetics or stubborn face fat, but often, the real culprit is simple water retention. You have probably tried the standard advice like drinking more water or cutting out table salt, only to see very little change. In this guide, we will break down what actually causes this fluid buildup, how to address it overnight, and how to keep it away long term. Number 1. The hidden sodium trap. First, let's look at where your sodium is actually coming from. Most of the sodium that causes your face to hold water does not come from the salt shaker on your dinner table. It is usually hidden inside processed foods, packaged snacks, restaurant meals, and heavy sauces. When you consume too much of this hidden sodium, your body retains extra fluids to keep things balanced, and this often pools in the delicate tissues of your face first. To see a noticeable difference tomorrow morning, try keeping your dinner simple, fresh, and free of heavy sauces or processed ingredients tonight. This is the exact same reason that most of the male models avoid eating processed foods. Number 2. Balancing potassium properly. To help your body clear out that excess fluid, you need to look at your potassium intake. Potassium acts as a natural counterweight to sodium, helping your kidneys release stored water. However, a common mistake is trying to force this process by consuming massive amounts of potassium supplements or coconut water all at once. Instead, focus on getting moderate amounts of potassium from whole food sources like spinach, avocados, bananas, or salmon throughout the day. Number 3. Gentle lymphatic drainage. Another practical tool is manual lymphatic drainage, which helps physically move trapped fluid out of your facial tissues. While tools like a Gua Sha do not burn fat, they are highly effective at shifting fluid buildup when used with the right technique. Always sweep from the center of your face outward toward your ears, and then gently down the sides of your neck to help the fluid drain toward your collarbone. Spending just 1 minute on this before bed or in the morning can noticeably soften puffiness. Number 4. Timing your carbohydrates. If you often wake up with a swollen face, your late-night eating habits might be playing a significant role. Carbohydrates are not bad for you, but when you eat a large, carb-heavy meal close to bedtime, your body stores those carbs as glycogen. Every gram of glycogen stored in your muscles and tissues naturally holds on to about 3 to 4 grams of water. To prevent this morning puffiness, try to finish your last carbohydrate-rich meal at least 3 hours before you go to sleep. Number 5. Adjusting your sleep position. Your sleeping posture also directly influences where fluid settles overnight. When you sleep on your side or stomach with your face pressed down, gravity causes fluid to accumulate in your facial tissues. To avoid this, try sleeping on your back and slightly elevating your head. Using an extra pillow to raise your head by just a few inches allows gravity to naturally drain fluid downward during the night. Number 6. Cold exposure for quick relief. If you need to look refreshed quickly for an event, a meeting, or a photo, cold exposure is a great temporary option. You can splash your face with ice-cold water for 30 seconds or gently use a chilled spoon under your eyes. Keep in mind that this is only a temporary fix and does not address the underlying causes of fluid retention. Number 7. Chewing and swallowing habits. For long-term improvements, we need to look at how you use your facial muscles daily. Many people unconsciously overwork their cheek muscles, specifically the buccinators, by chewing incorrectly. Over time, constantly straining these muscles can make the lower half of your face appear wider or rounder. To help correct this, try to chew your food slowly and fully engage your back molars rather than your front teeth. Number 8. Gut health and insulin sensitivity. Finally, chronic puffiness can sometimes be a sign of internal inflammation or how your body handles insulin. When your body experiences systemic inflammation or reduced insulin sensitivity, your kidneys tend to retain more sodium and water. 2 simple lifestyle habits can help improve this over time. First, taking a short 10-minute walk after your main meals helps support healthy digestion and keeps your blood sugar stable. Second, reducing your intake of ultra-processed foods will help lower overall inflammation in your body. That's it for today. If you found these practical tips helpful, consider subscribing for more straightforward wellness guides. I will see you in the next one.